In January 2022, Cirrus Aircraft lifted the curtain on the latest iteration of its high-performance single-engine piston product line, the 2022 G6 SR series. With refined aerodynamics that cut drag and improve efficiency and range, convenience features for passenger safety and comfort, and practical and aesthetic enhancements to paint and interior appointments, the company reports that the new airplane will cruise up to 9 knots faster than previous models. Here is everything you need to know about the 2022 Cirrus SR22 G6. Stay with us till the end of the video to learn more about this incredible aircraft. On the inside, Cirrus has added updated USB-A and USB-C ports for keeping passengers' phones, tablets, laptops, and other personal devices charged in flight. On the interior aesthetic front, buyers can choose all-leather premium interiors or incorporate Cirrus trademarked black Alcantara inserts from the latest Cirrus design options. The updated Cirrus IQ status screen includes aircraft model designation and an upgraded navigation bar displaying aircraft status, inspection intervals, and a calendar indicating warranty expiration status. The new Cirrus IQ app has the following functions. The maintenance minder tracks upcoming inspections and sends notifications when they are due. The flight hour meter automatically updates the inspection cards while flying, providing a progress bar and countdown to the upcoming inspection event. The My Trip module automatically logs every flight and offers key trip statistics and achievements earned while flying. The warranty section gives the date and flight hour limits of coverage for spinner two-tail warranty and CMX coverage as applicable. The cabin is accessed through doors on both sides of the fuselage. The SR22's cabin seamlessly integrates luxury, style, technology, and comfort, with automobile-inspired ergonomics, performance seats, and lifestyle conveniences throughout. Premium leather seats are handcrafted to perfection, and added details like the integrated headset strap minimize clutter and maximize accessibility. The cabin is equipped with innovative safety systems that provide a wide array of protective layers to protect the pilot and passengers. These include the electronic stability and protection and the Cirrus Airframe Parachuting System, or CAPS. Visibility is great in this plane, and you are not getting ordinary windows because the windows are UV protected, which has the advantage of protecting the interior while on ramp and regulating the cabin temperature while in flight. Cirrus has continued to work with Garmin, and the G6 SR22 includes the latest next-generation Garmin G1000 technology, which has been incorporated as the lightning-fast Cirrus Perspective Plus software. This drives both the Garmin navigational and flight management systems, along with new hardware, which now enables a number of new features to be included. One of the complaints leveled at the earlier version of the Perspective software was its relatively slow warm-up and operating speeds. The legacy Perspective system had effectively reached the end of its development, and adding even more new systems and code enhancements merely slowed it down to a point where it was becoming almost ineffective. That is no longer a problem. Almost as soon as you power up, the new G6 system is ready to use. It is inspired by Garmin's latest G1000 NXI integrated platform, while Perspective Plus takes all of the systems that Cirrus owners have come to know and love and makes them so much quicker and significantly clearer using synthetic vision. The processor is 10 times faster than that of the previous Perspective avionics. The system features an all-new QWERTY keyboard interface with slightly larger keys and a dedicated comms control facility, so regardless of what page you are displaying, you can still enter frequencies into the system. When not in use, the keyboard defaults to comms, radio, transponder, nav, and course, and a little blue light appears while all of the blue number keys illuminate. If you move from radio to transponder, the blue numbers remain lit. If you move to something requiring the alphanumeric keys, the blue numbers go out and are replaced by the alpha keyboard letters and numbers illuminated in white. Simple, yet very effective. The G6 SR22 features a level button, a one-touch autopilot engage capability that captures altitude and rolls wing level. It's designed particularly to be used at times of spatial disorientation, a moment of confusion, very high workload, or even a loss of control. Pressing the level button will normalize everything by rolling the wings level and capturing the altitude, giving the pilot time to take a deep breath and deal with the situation. The level button works alongside the ESP with the autopilot function. ESP uses the autopilot servos to engage a stability protection mode when the pilot is hand flying to protect the aircraft from over-controlling. If the pilot enters more than a 45-degree bank, the ESP provides stick pressure to bring the plane back to 30 degrees. If you approach the stall speed, it will provide an aural alert, as well as a visual alert on the PFD, and will gently push the stick forward and the nose down to gain a little more speed. If you are overspeeding, it will gently raise the nose. The system is designed to keep the aircraft within a safe envelope and only cuts in when the aircraft is being flown in a manner that requires intervention. Keep the aircraft within its design limits, and you would never know the aircraft even had the ESP system fitted, but it is reassuring to know it's there. The Garmin Perspective Plus flight deck forms the heart of the SR's front office. Reducing overall drag produced by the airframe is critical to improving fuel efficiency. To this end, Cirrus has introduced sleeker wings and tail surfaces, but has also smoothed the ice panel transition seams on the leading edges and tightened tolerances on the wheel pants. Loading is even easier because the redesigned baggage door features a remote unlocking system with keyless entry. The door itself opens past a 90-degree angle and will remain open during the loading process, with a deeper pocket that can hold 2 standard quart bottles of oil. Spectra illuminated steps make entry and exit safer and more secure at night or in other low-light conditions. The new model has a distinctive Cirrus puddle light logo projected onto the ramp, which adds an extra touch of style. Cirrus Aircraft also introduced 8 new exterior paint colors to elevate its signature ramp appeal. The Cirrus XI design team, in partnership with Sherwin-Williams Aerospace, developed a new paint formulation process unlocking incredible potential and enhancing color definition and flexibility. The Cirrus SR22 is powered by a 310 horsepower Continental IO550N engine and has a takeoff distance ground roll of 1,082 feet or 330 meters and a landing distance ground roll of 1,178 feet or 359 meters. It features a single propeller manufactured by Hartzell with 3 aluminum blades. The plane has a useful load of 1,328 pounds or 605 kilograms and a maximum takeoff weight of 3,400 pounds or 1,540 kilograms. The SR22 has a maximum range of 1,169 nautical miles at 55% power and a ceiling of 17,500 feet or 5,334 meters. But while the previous model had a max cruise speed of 183 knots, the 2022 model will cruise up to 9 knots faster, bringing the max cruise speed to 192 knots. Depending on numerous factors, the average price for a Cirrus SR22 G6 ranges from $750,000 to $1 million. Based on 450 annual owner-operated hours and a $5.50 per gallon fuel cost, the Cirrus SR22 G6 has total variable costs of $78,000, total fixed costs of $28,000, and an annual budget of $105,000. This breaks down to about $234 per hour. Thank you for staying with us till the end. Here are 2 videos you can watch next. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.